Hello and thanks for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is a book move. The opening is called King's Pawn Game.
This is a book move. The opening is called Sicilian Defense.
This is a book move. The opening is called Sicilian Defense.
Pawn to d6.
Bishop to b5 check.
Bishop to d7 was the best move.
Kingside castle was the best move.
Pawn captures on d4 was the best move.
Knight catches on d4.
Knight to f6.
Bishop to d3.
Knight to c5 is best. This attacks the bishop.
Knight to c3.
Pawn to g6 was the best move.
Kingside castle is excellent. Knight to b3 is best. This offers a trade.
Bishop to g7 was the best move.
Rook to e1 is best.
Kingside castle is best.
Bishop to f1.
Pawn to b6.
Pawn to f3 is excellent. Knight to c6 is best. This attacks the queen.
Bishop to b7.
Bishop to g5 is excellent. This develops a bishop. Bishop to e3 is excellent. This develops a bishop.
Pawn to 6 is excellent. Knight from file f to d7 is best.
Queen to d2 is a solid move, supporting the central pawn and preparing to develop the rest of the pieces. It also puts pressure on black's position, particularly on the pawn to d5 pawn.
Queen to c7 was the best move.
Pawn to 4 was the best move.
Pawn to e6 was the best move.
Knight to b3 is excellent. Rook from file to d1 is best. This develops a rook.
Rook from file f to e8 is excellent. This defends a pawn on f7. Rook from file f to d8 is best.
Rook from file to d1 was the best move.
Knight to e5.
Bishop to e3.
Pawn to e6.
Bishop to d4 is best.
Bishop to f8.
Rook from file to d1 was the best move.
Rook from file to c8 was the best move.
Rook from file to d1 was the best move.
Pawn to d5 was the best move.
Pawn captures on d5.
Pawn captures on d5.
Bishop to d4.
Knight to h5 was the best move.
Queen to f2 is best.
Knight to d7 was the best move.
Rook captures on e8.
Rook captures on e8 is best. By placing the rook on an open file, it controls important columns.
Rook to d1.
Knight to g7.
Queen to d2.
Knight to e6.
Bishop to f2 was the best move.
Knight to f6 was the best move.
Knight to d4 is good. This offers a trade. Knight captures on c5 is best. This is a trade. This attacks the bishop.
Bishop to g7 is excellent. This develops a bishop. This fianchettos the bishop by putting it on a powerful diagonal. Knight captures on d4 is best. This is a trade.
Knight captures on e6 is excellent. This is a trade. Bishop to g3 is best. This attacks the queen. This move gains a tempo.
Knight captures on e6 is best. This defends a queen on c7.
Knight to e2 was the best move.
Queen to c8 was the best move.
Knight captures on d5 is best. This attacks the pawn. This move gains a tempo.
Bishop captures on d5 is best. This is a trade.
Queen captures on d5 was the best move.
Queen captures on c2 is best. This creates a four-con pawn and pawn. This move gains a tempo. This captures a free pawn.
Rook to e1 is best. By placing the rook on an open file, it controls important columns.
Rook to d8 was the best move.
Queen to b7.
Pawn to h4 is excellent. This offers a trade. Bishop to f6 is best. This attacks the pawn. This move gains a tempo.
Bishop captures on h4.
Queen captures on a4 is best. This defends a pawn and rook on a6 and e8. This attacks the bishop. This move gains a tempo. This captures a free pawn.
Rook to e4 was the best move.